What is it that causes so many of us to catch cold? But do not think... Do not think... Do not think... In contact with visitors from outside carries the germs, to scatter bacteria and viruses all around us. Scientists think that most colds are caused by extremely small, called viruses. Viruses, and there are many different kinds of them, can be scattered with each particle of saliva and mucus. When one sneezes or coughs, for instance. But do not think for a moment that cold-producing viruses are spread only by sneezing and coughing.
Boarding pass and passport, please.
The symptoms are quite familiar, and very likely you'll come up with a correct diagnosis. Yes, it looks like a cold, a common cold.